All right, hi. So we are going to go into our math right now, and I am going to show you two shapes that we learned about in our math book that I am going to talk a little bit more about. Actually, I think one of them we might not have learned about. The first one that I want to show you is this shape. Do you remember what it's called? It's called a cylinder. My cylinder isn't perfect, but it shows us what a cylinder is. And then this one, which we did not learn about in our math book, but we're going to learn about today, is called a pyramid. Say pyramid. All right. So first we're going to talk about our cylinder. So our cylinder is a three-dimensional shape. It looks kind of like a circle, but very long and tall, like a bunch of circles stacked up. So if you took like a pepperoni and then you stacked a bunch of pepperonis on top of each other, it would kind of look like a cylinder. So cylinders are very cool shapes. They can slide, meaning across. They can roll. Do you see that? Or you can stack them on top of each other. Can you think of something inside of your house that looks like a cylinder? I can. A can of soda, a can of beans, a can of soup, maybe a can of sparkly water. They all look like a cylinder. So the cylinder is super cool because, like I said, you can slide it, you can stack it, and you can roll it. Not all other shapes are like that. This shape is very cool. I personally like how you can roll it. It reminds me kind of a wheel. So if we look on our cars, they're not as long, but they're like shorter cylinders, the wheels. Isn't that pretty cool? I think it is. So this is a cylinder. Say cylinder. Okay, now we're going to move to our next shape. This shape is called a pyramid. Say pyramid. Pyramid. Okay, so this shape is really kind of cool. You can slide it, right? But do you think you can stack it? No, because of that little point on top. Can you roll it? No, it doesn't easily roll. It just kind of flops around. So you can only slide it. It's called a pyramid. This pyramid has a square bottom, but there are different types of pyramids. But we're going to talk about this one. Let's look at it. So I see a square on the bottom, and I see some triangles on the other four sides. Now, what is something in your life that you might have seen that looks like a pyramid? What do you think? My favorite pyramid is when I look up Egypt and I see the ancient pyramids. They kind of look like this, and they're pretty cool. You can also find a pyramid kind of looking like this in a set of blocks, maybe in a set of wooden blocks. So this is a pyramid. You see it? Pretty cool, huh? All right, so we talked about our cylinder that slides, rolls, and stacks. And we talked about our pyramid, which only slides. It does not roll and it does not stack. I would encourage you to look up pyramids online to see what they look like. All right? Have a good day. Bye.